Today we're going to be talking about the Onn devices, the price increases in Canada. Let's go to FT News website and look what they're saying. The Onn 4K stick was $49.98 to $94.74. That's the Onn 4K stick. Went up from $49.98 to $94.73. It's a massive increase. Now, even the other box, the Onn 4K Pro, went from $74.98 to $119.52. It's a massive increase. Also, the price increase on the 4K Plus, it went from $39.86 to $49.88. The Onn 4K Plus. What do you guys think? You think we should still buy these devices, or should we find something more reasonable? Because prices increases a lot in Canada. Let's look at the US prices now, okay? Now we're gonna be talking about the price increases on all the on devices in US. The first one is the Onn 4K. Onn 4K Plus. It's 49. It went from 1988 to $49.98. That's for the Onn Plus. The 4K Pro. The 4K Pro hasn't changed the price. Well, hasn't changed. It's $59.98. The Onn 4K, the Onn 4K is it went from 1988 to $39.98. The Onn HD went from $14.88 to $29.98. So that's 3 or 4 devices. All those prices have been gone up since last year. What do you think? You think we should still consider Onn as a reliable source? Should we go with find something cheaper, more reasonable? Prices in Canada, prices have doubled. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos coming up. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you soon.